9. You're watching Fox 13's The Place.
Welcome back, everyone. I want you to meet Dr. Robert Rodrigues. He is a board-certified plastic surgeon from Granger Medical Clinic's Reconstructive and Cosmetic Surgery Center. Did I say all that right?
Yes.
There's a lot going on. And I love that you're here talking about, you know, most of the time, Dr. Rodrigues, people think, okay, the way to take care of my skin is to get Botox or fillers or any kind of an injection, but you're actually talking about things that can be maintenance that maybe even have a bigger effect, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the Hydrafacial, I am a cheerleader of this event. This particular procedure, I'm non-surgical, and it does amazing things. Tell us what it does.
It's a procedure that's non-laser, non-ablative, that uses more of a patented vortex technology with, in a way, like a mini power washer to the skin.
Definitely.
But just keeps it contained, and the machine also adds various serums and peptides that are healthy for the skin to clean the skin and also hydrate the skin.
So it's taking out, and then it's going to put back.
Put back things that are good for the skin.
So when I had this done, I saw the vial of the crap that came out of my skin, and I thought, I'm doing pretty good. It was like toxins. It was disgusting. How often should people have a Hydrafacial?
You know, it depends on their degree of sun exposure or exposure to the elements, but it can be something as often as monthly.
Monthly would give you such great results for men and women, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Next thing is, this is so good, microneedling with PRP. Let's talk about that.
Microneedling has been something that's been out for a while, and so it's multiple small little needles that enter the skin, because as soon as you injure the skin in a small way, the skin will respond and lay down new collagens to heal and strengthen the skin and rejuvenate the skin. But then with PRP added, which some people will term it as a vampire facial, and we think about that your youth is still in your blood, more or less. And so you can spin the blood down to what we call platelet-rich plasma. And platelet-rich plasma has a lot of growth factors concentrated. And so right after all those little miniature holes are made into the skin, the platelet-rich plasma is applied, and that really stimulates more collagens and growth.
So really the collagen is the key for keeping your skin elastic and younger looking, but the older we get, do we just stop producing collagen?
Well, it does become thinner.
It goes to sleep.
And your dermis becomes thinner, just like as if you know in some of your grandparents where their skin can tear on the back of their hand, and that's because the dermis is very thin. And so it keeps the dermis, the thickness, at a more youthful state.
Okay, so some of the other things that you offer at your clinic are hair removal.
Yes, hair and vein removal, and also just general facials, and also microdermabrasion, as well as the microneedling.
And if you could suggest one thing for people to do, what would your favorite procedure be?
Favorite procedure, I think, too, really. Botox is great because it helps prevent, but then also the Hydrafacial, just something that's minimally invasive and not painful.
Okay, so spring is coming up. You want to, well, it's actually here, but you want to get your skin ready for summer and for the sun. That means stay out of it. There's the information right there to go see Dr. Rodrigues, Granger Medical Clinic. The information is all right there. You can also go to our website at fox13now.com. Click on the place, and we'll have all that information. Thanks so much for sharing all of this. Remember, it's for men and women. So make sure you give them a call. Stay with us, because coming up next, we're talking about a way to